Have you ever imagined that a simple white powder sitting in almost every kitchen could quietly become one of the most useful health tools after age 60? Doctors today are using it to help protect the kidneys, calm heartburn, ease joint pain, and even improve oral health. And yet, most people have no idea how powerful it can be when used correctly. Today we're talking about sodium bicarbonate, better known as baking soda, and what modern science says about its real health benefits for older adults. We'll cover what it does inside the body, how it may help the kidneys, stomach, joints, teeth, and skin, and most importantly, who should avoid it completely. Stay with me until the end, because one warning I'll share later could be extremely important for you or someone you love. What is baking soda, and why does it matter? Baking soda is a natural alkaline compound found in nature, in oceans, in soil, and even inside your body. Its main job is simple but powerful. It helps neutralize acid. That matters because your body depends on a delicate acid-alkaline balance to function properly. As we age, the kidneys become less efficient, the lungs may weaken, and acid can slowly begin building up in the bloodstream. Doctors call this metabolic acidosis, and it's more common in older adults than most people realize. When this happens, sodium bicarbonate may help restore balance, and that's where the benefits begin. Benefit number 1, it may protect kidney function. This is actually the strongest science-backed benefit out there. Many people with chronic kidney disease develop excess acid in the blood. Research has shown that correcting this imbalance with sodium bicarbonate may slow kidney decline and help preserve kidney function longer. Some studies even found a reduced need for dialysis in certain patients. For older adults with kidney issues, this is honestly one of the most important potential benefits, but it should only be used with medical guidance. Benefit number 2, fast relief from heartburn and bloating. Heartburn, acid reflux, and bloating become much more common as we age. Baking soda works as a fast, natural antacid. Once it gets to the stomach, it quickly neutralizes excess acid, often bringing relief within just a few minutes. It may also help reduce gas and bloating. But here's the warning. If you use it regularly for heartburn, you might actually be covering up a bigger digestive problem. Occasional use is one thing. Daily use without medical advice is another. Benefit number 3. It may help joint pain and gout. Gout is a painful form of arthritis that's caused by uric acid crystals building up in the joints. This can lead to severe pain, swelling, and inflammation, especially in the feet, toes, knees, and fingers. Because baking soda helps make urine more alkaline, it may help the kidneys flush out uric acid more effectively. Lower acid levels in the body may also reduce inflammation, which could really benefit aging joints. Benefit number 4, better oral health. You know, as we get older, saliva production often decreases, and that unfortunately makes it easier for bacteria to grow, acids to damage enamel, and bad breath to develop. But here's the good news. Baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth and can reduce odor-causing bacteria. Using a small amount on a wet toothbrush once or twice per week may support oral health and fresher breath. Just don't overdo it. Daily use may slowly wear down tooth enamel. Benefit number 5. Relief for itchy skin. You know, many older adults really struggle with chronic itching, which can be caused by things like dry skin, circulation problems, or even kidney-related issues. A warm bath with about half to 1 cup of baking soda added to the water may actually help calm irritated skin and reduce that annoying itching. It's simple, but honestly, often very effective. The truth is, it's helpful, but not for everyone. Here's what science makes clear. Baking soda can be really helpful for folks who have excess acid buildup in the blood, especially those with kidney disease. But for healthy adults who already have normal acid balance, studies just haven't shown major overall health improvements. So, this is not a miracle cure. It's a tool, and like any tool, it has to be used correctly. Safe use is important. For occasional heartburn, you can mix half a teaspoon in a full glass of water. Use it only once or twice daily, and not for more than 2 weeks unless your doctor says otherwise. For teeth, just use a very small amount once or twice weekly. For itchy skin, add it to warm bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. And for kidney support, only do this under medical supervision. Never self-prescribe. Who should avoid it? This part is very important, because baking soda contains sodium. It may be risky for people with high blood pressure, heart failure, fluid retention, or those taking multiple medications. It may also interact with certain antibiotics, diabetes medications, and pain relievers. Stop using it and call your doctor if you notice irregular heartbeat, swelling in the legs, shortness of breath, muscle cramps, or ongoing nausea. Final thoughts. Baking soda is so much more than just a baking ingredient. Used correctly, it may support kidney health, ease heartburn, reduce bloating, help with uric acid, freshen the mouth, and soothe irritated skin. But it's not right for everyone, and it should never replace proper medical advice. If you're over 60, especially if you have kidney concerns, ask your doctor about checking your bicarbonate levels. That simple test may actually tell you whether this common kitchen ingredient could help your health. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone you care about. One helpful piece of information at the right time can truly change a life. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.